Ooh. That's our box. What's up, guys? Today, I'm unboxing a Monsterbass. I'm gonna leave a link where you can get $10 off for the box. This is my first fishing box ever, so I decided to check them out and see what they got. And thank you for watching. Let's start unboxing this. All right, let's unbox this thing. It's a pretty cool looking box, just like the rest of them. Are you guys ready? Here's what it says on the lid. Snap a picture, share on social, win prizes. We know bass. Alright, first thing you're gonna get, Monsterbass Challenge. Record an unboxing video and upload it to YouTube, Facebook, or Instagram for a chance to win $100. Well, I guess that's what I'm doing today. I didn't even know it. Alright, so this month's are featuring baits from the following brand partners. We got Live Target, Strike King, Z-Man, Savage Gear, and Mustad. I haven't heard these other ones. So, well, let's see what they got. First one is a Live Target. It looks like a sunfish. It's a pretty good size little swim bait. I've had one a little bit bigger than this. I haven't had any luck with it, so I guess we'll find out. My next video is going to be trying to catch something out of each one of these. Alright, this is the Mustad. Looks like a pretty good hook. Pretty heavy duty. Size 3. There's 3 of them in a little bag. Then you get your Monsterbass logo. That's pretty sick. 20% off your first order at O'Meals. Promo code Monsterbass. I've used these before. Strike King. They make a pretty good spinner bait. It's 3/8 of an ounce. This will be good. Here's your soft plastic Pro Series X Zone lures, the Finesse Slammer. Never really fished drop shot before, but I'll have to start learning how. And this thing, this is from Savage Gear, a 3D bat. That is sick. Lures with an attitude. So you got your treble hooks down here. Man, this is gonna be awesome. And then you got Randy's swim and runner. Got a little spinner blade. Be pretty cool to throw. I'll be down for this. This is 3/8 of an ounce also. And then Great Lakes. Never heard of this brand. Here it is. It's plastic worms. And then, I think this is the last one, Z-Man. Be a good trailer for my chatterbaits. Minnow, Pearl Blue Glimmer, 3 inches. There's 6 in a pack. I think that's it. That's it. Well, like I said, my next video is going to be obviously fishing with this stuff, see if I can catch anything. Hopefully. I'm just waiting for that fall to come in. Thanks for watching.